Welcome to our channel. If you want to switch your Instagram business account back to a personal account or delete your business features, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and ensure you're logged into your business account. Step 2. Navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Tap the 3 horizontal lines, menu icon, in the top right corner of your profile page. Step 4. Select Settings from the menu options. Step 5. Tap on Account to access account type settings. Step 6. Scroll down and find the Switch Account Type option. Step 7. Select Switch to Personal Account from the options presented. Step 8. Instagram will warn you that you'll lose access to insights, promotion tools, and contact buttons. Tap Switch Back to confirm. Step 9. Your account is now converted back to a personal account. All your posts, followers, and content remain intact, but business-specific features like analytics and ad tools will no longer be available. You can switch back to business at any time by following the business account setup process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.